Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. In Blender, smoke physics are incredibly easy to set up. Start with the default cube and then go to Object, Quick Effects, Quick Smoke. Press play and you instantly have a working smoke simulation. Every smoke simulation is made up of three main components: a domain, a flow object, and optional effectors. The domain is the container where the simulation happens, the flow is where the smoke is generated from, and the effectors are objects that the smoke interacts with. When you're happy with the motion, increase the domain resolution for better quality, switch your cache type to all, and then click Bake All. Here are a couple of examples of different quality smoke simulations. Finally, you can add area lights and some dense volumetric shading for dramatic effect. And that's it! Congratulations, you just made your first smoke simulation in Blender in under 1 minute.